guys, welcome back to our channel. There's Desiree. So today's video we are doing I'm going to be doing knotless braids, a tutorial on knotless braids on Desiree. As you can see, I've already washed out her hair and sectioned it and detangled it, and I am going to blow dry her hair before getting started. So before we get started, I wanted to show you that I shampooed and conditioned Desiree's hair with the Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore Shampoo Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I conditioned it with the conditioner. So far I really like this shampoo and conditioner on my girl's hair. I like to blow dry her hair in sections and on cool or low heat to protect it from any heat damage. So I like to start by sectioning off her hair just based on the style that I'm doing for that particular hairstyle. I think it's better and it just works for me because I see that it saves time and it serves me as a guide, and it's just smoother. I love it. I've seen it done before. This is my favorite comb to use because the sharpness is great for parting nice, smooth parts. But I'm going to invest in a new comb. This comb has been through it all, but this is the only comb I love to use. When doing braids, I have to have this. This is a must-have. I've seen it used so many times. I cannot braid without it. It just lays the hair down. I don't really use it for edge control. I just use it on the actual base for the braids. It just gives it a nice shine. It's smooth and holds it down. I love it. Can't braid without it. I always like to pre-section the hair so that I make sure I get all of my spaces nice and even. I just love a nice crisp part. Look at that, guys. I love that. Straight up. To pre-part so I can make sure all my spaces are nice and even. So if they aren't, I can always go back and make changes before I do the actual braid. is the brand of hair that I use. I love it for braiding. It matches the texture of hair for Desiree, and it doesn't tangle as much when braiding. So it's my favorite Outre brand. I like to put a little moisturizer on the strand of hair since it will be braided, just to protect it while it's braided up for a month or two. To start off by getting a nice grip, and then I will start adding pieces of hair to each strand. I'm doing a more natural look, so each piece of hair that I add is not very thick, but if you want bigger braids, you would add more hair depending on the style that you're going for. To add a little of the jam as I braid down the hair, just to keep some of the flyaways nice and tucked, and it just makes it look more nice and neater. When applying the shine and jam to the base of the part, you don't want to put too much. You just need a little bit so it doesn't be too shiny. Just gives it a nice smooth look. This is the progress, and this is how it looks. Guys, you see that? It's so beautiful, nice and neat, and just so pretty. I love this protective style. Anyone can wear it. It is the next day. We finished late last night, so this is how it looks, and I'm going to finish off showing you the last braid and how I add the hair for the knotless braid. So as you see, I do braid 2 times, and then I go to add the hair just to make it secure as I continue the braid. And I usually add 3 strands. I will do more if I'm doing a longer braid or if I want them thicker.
30 hertz straight up.
This is the finished look, guys. I love this style on her, and it can be worn small, medium, or large, but I do hers in medium because she doesn't like to sit too long. And it's less tension. It's so versatile. This is a favorite style to go to. These knotless braids can also be worn with beads for little girls. I hope you guys enjoyed our tutorial video on the knotless braids. Until the next video, we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.